Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Ready to make your travel stories pop with fun animations in Canva? Let's dive in. Click Create, then choose Videos. Next, select Landscape Video for this tutorial to start designing your project with the appropriate format and layout settings. Go to Elements and type Tokyo in the search bar. Find a video you like, then click and drag it down to the timeline or workspace to add it to your project. Scroll down and set the duration to 3 seconds to shorten the clip length accordingly. Adjust the timing until it matches your desired 3-second duration. Click the element, select text, then choose heading. Add your desired heading by typing directly into the text box. Customize the heading to fit your design and enhance your content's visibility effectively in your project. Select the text and change it to Start Here. Next, update the second text to Charger. Make sure both changes are confirmed. This completes the text editing process for your project. Continue with the next steps as needed. Add effects by selecting the Effects panel. First, choose the line effect and apply it to your timeline. Next, insert a new element by clicking the Add button. In the Element Type menu, select Japan to include this design. Adjust the placement and duration on your timeline to fit your project. Preview the changes to ensure the effects blend smoothly with your content. Experiment with different settings to customize the appearance and style. This process allows you to enhance your video with creative visuals effectively. Continue refining until you achieve the desired result. First, locate your video and select it. Add the video to the timeline, then reduce its duration to 3 seconds. Next, insert a new text layer over the video. Adjust the text as needed to match your content. This process helps create concise clips with clear captions for better viewer engagement. Copy the text by pressing Ctrl+D, then drag it to the desired location. Rename the text to Japan by typing directly. To resize, click and drag the corner handles inward or outward until the text reaches your preferred size. This adjusts the text visually on your canvas. Drag this element along the line to reposition it. You can also resize it by clicking and dragging the corners to make it smaller or larger as needed. Play the animation for the travel widget by clicking the preview button to see it in action. Click Add Transition to open the transition options. Select Color Wipe to create a smooth color shift between clips. Next, try Matching Move for a seamless object motion effect. Finally, choose Flow for a fluid transition that blends scenes naturally. You can adjust the slide duration for each transition to control the speed. Experiment with these effects to enhance your video's visual appeal effectively. Add transitions to improve scene flow. Adjust the iteration value to the maximum. Then play the animation to observe the changes and ensure everything functions as expected within the software interface. The slides look good. Now, you can add more slides by clicking the plus icon. Arrange them in the desired order. Use the toolbar to customize each slide's content, layout, and design, enhancing your presentation step by step. Add your venue, text, and admission details. To create a travel animation in Canva, customize your design, then click Share. Adjust the quality settings to your preference before clicking Download to save your animated travel project. Now you know how to create travel animations in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative tips.